Hi, watching Das Hovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. So, protesting against the Punjab Pollution Control Board today, industrialists they have gathered over here in the focal point area to protest against the PPCB as they claim that unnecessary show cause notices have been issued to the industrialists. So, members of different industrial association, whether it is UCPMA, FICO, or whether it is HEIU, the industrialists they have gathered over here, and heavy police force have been deployed over here. So you can see heavy police force have been deployed over here to stop the industrialists. On the other side, the industrialists they are gathered over here protesting against the PPCB. So we will try to talk to some of the industrialists regarding today's protest. That what are their key demands and the reason behind today's protest. There's Harsimarjeet Singh Lucky. Lucky sir, today industrialists they have gathered over here. What do you want to say?
First of all, good morning, everybody. Today, all the industries have gathered together against, actions which are not lawful taken against the industry by the pollution department. Pollution department is sending show cause notices, doing so much, injustice to the industry, which is not tolerated. So today, almost 40 associations had get together for a very peaceful protest, which they don't allow even. It is our right to make a protest, a peaceful one. But the government of India, even though it is going from, when we are not independent, since that time it is very much permitted. But nowadays, you can see, they are not even allowing. They are saying that we will break the pollution department. Do you think the industry is like this? Industry helps us to grow the nation, to give the revenue to the GST, revenue to the Punjab government. They don't want now. Ultimately, when the administration was inside, they had interpreted. Now the association have decided and given the timeline to 5th of the coming month, June, that by that time we want the chief to be, transferred from here, and all show cause notices are to be cancelled, and you should sit with the industry and decide. We are to stop the pollution. We are not to to make the people afraid from the pollution department. This is all today going on.
Lucky ji, why show cause notices have been issued?
Yeah, look, listen, no industry or no home can run without a pollution. A certain small points can be, taught to the industry and tell them to dilute all these problems. But we immediately go and we get the threatening to the department by the department. This is the only reason.
Okay.
Even say very small thing, they are saying even the wastewater from the toilets has to be treated. What about their department? Are they treating inside? So this is the very, stupid things which are going on.
You had a meeting with the district administration.
We had a meeting with this ADC साहब आए थे और तेजा जी आए थे. We had a meeting where it conveyed the point that 5 तारीख तक हम चुप करेंगे. After 5th, we are going to, पंजाब बंद पूरा होगा. लुधियाना की 15 लाख से ऊपर जो लेबर है, they will be on the roads, and we don't want to work in such mall. We are earning for the state. For what we are earning for?
Lucky ji, earlier when Sanjeev Arora was over here, he used to listen the grievances of the industrialists. Are industrialists missing Sanjeev Arora?
Look, we always respect everybody. We don't have any complaints with any minister. We are persons who will respect the government whichever is coming. We are from the associations. So we don't have any grievance earlier, but nowadays what is seen that there is no MIBA, so the things are going bad. Thank you.
So we are having with us Rupinder Kumar with us, who is a representative of Fasteners Association. Kumar sir, today industrialists they have gathered over here. They are protesting against PPCB. What are the reasons?
ਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਵੀ ਫੈਕਟਰੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਥੋੜੀ ਧਮਕੀ ਟਾਈਪ ਦਾ ਚੱਲਣ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਕੰਮ. ਉਹ ਕੋਈ ਮਾੜੀ ਮੋਟੀ ਕਮੀ ਪੇਸ਼ੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਤਾਂ ਬਿੱਲ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਸਮਝਾ ਕੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਹੱਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਘਰ ਚਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ, ਘਰ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੂਰਾ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹੀਏ ਨਾ ਵੀ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ 0 ਐਕੂਰੇਟ ਹੋਵੇ, ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ. ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਛੋਟੀ ਛੋਟੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ 'ਚ ਕਨੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਕੱਟਣ ਦੀ ਧਮਕੀ, ਕਨੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਕੱਟ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਊਗਾ. ਅੱਜ ਫੈਕਟਰੀਆਂ ਚਲਾਉਣੀਆਂ, ਇੰਨੇ ਮਹਿਕਮਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਿਬੇੜਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਇੰਨੇ ਖਰਚੇ ਨੇ, ਬੈਂਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਇੰਨੇ ਵਿਆਜ ਨੇ, ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਿਲ ਨਾਲ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਵੀ ਆ. ਐਗਜ਼ੀਬਿਸ਼ਨ 'ਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਅਗਰ ਧਮਕੀ ਦੇਣੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਫੈਕਟਰੀ ਬੰਦ ਕਰਾ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ, ਤੇਰਾ ਕਨੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਕੱਟ ਦਾਂਗੇ, ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਿਲ ਆ. ਕਨੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਕੱਟਦਾ 2 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਿਆ, 2 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਖਰਚੇ ਕੌਣ ਭਰੂਗਾ? ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਬੈਟਰ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਟਾਈਮ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਵੇ,
ਹਾਂ ਹਾਂ
ਕੋਈ ਬੈਂਕ ਗਰੰਟੀ ਲੈ ਲਓ, ਕੋਈ ਪੈਨਲਟੀ ਲਗਾ ਦਿਓ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ,
ਹਾਂ ਹਾਂ
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ। ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਲੈਣਾ ਕੰਮ, ਉਹਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਸੋਲੂਸ਼ਨ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ।
ਰਾਈਟ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਕੋਈ ਯੂ ਹੈਡ ਅ ਮੀਟਿੰਗ ਵਿਦ ਐਨੀ ਆਫੀਸ਼ੀਅਲ
Meeting ਦੇ
ਪਰਸਨ?
ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਅਸੀਂ 5 ਤਰੀਕ ਤੱਕ ਦਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਦਿੱਤਾ, 5 ਤਰੀਕ ਤੱਕ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਾਂਗੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਸਲੇ ਹੱਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ, ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਧਰਨੇ ਦਾ ਰਸਤਾ ਫਿਰ ਖੁੱਲ੍ਹਾ, ਫਿਰ ਬਹਿ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ।
How you see the industrialists? They are facing challenges nowadays.
ਇਹ ਵੋਟ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਚੈਲੰਜ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਨੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ। ਬਾਕੀ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਚੈਲੰਜ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਇਹ ਵੱਧਦਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ, ਡੇ ਬਾਈ ਡੇ ਨਾ ਵੱਧਦਾ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ।
Right. When the cabinet minister Sanjeev Arora, he was looking after industry ministry. So now, as there is the powers have changed. So how you see the industries? They are facing more problem nowadays, or like earlier your grievances were being heard?
ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਅੱਛੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਪਰ ਚਲੋ ਹੁਣ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ ਇਸ ਨੇ। ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਇੱਕ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਲਵਾਰਿਸ ਹੋਏ ਹੋਏ ਆ, ਸਮਝੋ। ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਕਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ। ਉਹਦਾ ਹੁਣ ਇੱਕੋ ਇਹੀ ਤਰੀਕਾ, ਸੜਕ ਤੇ ਬੈਠਾਂਗੇ, ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਨਿਆਣਾ ਰੋਂਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਮਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਆਪੇ ਪੁੱਛਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਬਸ ਉਹੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆ।
We are having with us T.R. Mishra, who is the chairman of a Focal Point Industrial Association. Mishra Saab, today industrialists, they have gathered over here. They are protesting against PPCB. What do you want to say?
यार काफ़ी समय से जो हमारा इंडस्ट्री में पैनिक क्रिएट हुआ था कि ये पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल वाले नजायज तंग करते हैं और नजायज पैसे मांगते हैं, नजायज उनको इंडस्ट्री को तंग किया जा रहा है। तो इस वजह से आज यहाँ पे काफ़ी दिनों से पैनिक की वजह से आज धरना दिया गया था। लेकिन कुछ हमारे जो इंडस्ट्री वाले हैं उन लोगों ने माना कि 5 जून तक इनको टाइम दिया गया है
अच्छा।
कि अगर ये अपने चाल चलन में थोड़ा फर्क लाएंगे और ठीक होंगे तो इनसे कोई बात ही नहीं, 5 तारीख के बाद हम फिर बड़ा धरना।
Right. Mishra ji, it is being said that show cause notices have been issued to the industrialists.
आज नोटिस ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਕੋਈ ਕਮੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੀ ਰਿਪਲਾਈ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, लेकिन ये शो कार्ड नोटिस देने तो आप पैसे मांगते हैं, वही थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ होगी।
Okay. So now, what kind of a talk you had with the officials of the district administration?
I was demand from Pollution Control Board some black sheep of which are change from here, yeah, transfer from here
Okay.
for the control of situation.
Okay. Now, as you said that you have given them ultimatum till June 5. So, what are the further plans if your demands are not resolved?
We have now I was called approximate 17 and 18 associations, and then we have finalized approximately 50 associations are ready to dharna.
Okay, thank you so much. So, as of now, the industrialists, they have lifted the protest. You heard that they had talked with the officials of the district administration. So, they have given an ultimatum till June 5 to resolve all the demands of the industrialists. And they mentioned that today around 14 to 15 association, different industrial association, they participated over here in this protest. And if the demands are not fulfilled, the protest which was today against the PPCBs, and if these demands they are not fulfilled by the officials, by the district administration, by the government, the protest will be intensified and more associations will join the protest against the PPCB. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to Daswera for more updates.